I think that I shall never see poem lovely as a tree whose hungry mouth is pressed against the earth's sweet flowing breast. A tree that looks all day and lifts her lucky arms to pray. A tree that May and summer wear a nest of robins in her hair, upon whose bosom snow has lain, who intimately lives with rain. Poems are made by fools like me, but only God can make a tree.